Are you struggling with your YouTube affiliate marketing? You might be making these common mistakes. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to monetize your YouTube channel, but only if done right. In this video, I'm going over the top mistakes YouTubers make with affiliate marketing that absolutely destroy their channel and what you need to do instead to crush it on YouTube. The first and probably the biggest mistake people make is choosing the wrong affiliate products. You need to be strategic and selective about the products or services you promote. First and foremost, you should genuinely believe in the product. If you don't actually like it or use it, your audience will see right through that. Authenticity is key in affiliate marketing. Your viewers are smart, they can tell when you're passionate about something, and that translates into trust. Make sure the products you choose align with your channel's niche and your audience's interest. Taking the time to carefully select affiliate products that resonate with both you and your audience will pay off in the long run. Remember, the goal here is to provide value to your viewers while also earning income. Speaking of your audience, the second mistake you need to avoid is not understanding them well enough. It's not enough to just know their basic demographics like age or location. You need to dive deeper into their interests, their pain points, and their motivations. What are their goals? What are their challenges? What kind of content do they engage with the most? Once you have a solid understanding of your audience, you can then tailor your affiliate marketing efforts to their specific needs. This means promoting products that they're actually likely to be interested in and using language that resonates with them. The key is to make your audience feel understood. When they feel like you're speaking directly to them and their needs, they're much more likely to trust your recommendations and make a purchase. Take the time to understand them, and you'll be amazed at how much more effective your affiliate marketing will be. Now let's talk about transparency, which is crucial for building trust with your audience. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is failing to disclose your affiliate links. The FTC requires you to disclose any material connection you have with a brand when you're promoting their products. This can be done through verbal disclaimers in your videos, written disclaimers in your video descriptions, or by using the paid sponsorship feature on YouTube. Being upfront and honest about your affiliate relationships actually builds more trust with your audience. So make sure you're disclosing your affiliate links clearly and prominently. Moving on, let's talk about the importance of tracking your affiliate marketing performance. This is something that a lot of creators overlook, but it's absolutely crucial if you want to maximize your earnings and make informed decisions about your strategy. Imagine putting in all this effort to create great content and promote affiliate products, but you have no idea which products are actually converting, which videos are driving the most sales, or what your audience is responding to. You need data to guide you. Thankfully, there are plenty of tools and resources available that can help you track your affiliate marketing performance. Most affiliate networks provide you with a dashboard where you can track clicks, conversions, and earnings. By analyzing these metrics, you can identify what's working and what's not, so you can optimize your strategy accordingly. Tracking your performance allows you to make data-driven decisions, which is essential for scaling your affiliate marketing efforts and maximizing your earnings. Use the data to create more content around high-performing topics and refine your approach. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of content quality. Your affiliate marketing success hinges on your ability to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. It's not enough to just slap an affiliate link in the description of a poorly made video and hope for the best. You need to create content that is engaging, informative, and relevant to your audience's interests. Remember, the goal is to build trust with your audience. The more value you provide in your content, the more likely people are to trust your recommendations and make a purchase. Focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. So there you have it, the top mistakes to avoid in YouTube affiliate marketing. Remember to choose products that you believe in and that are relevant to your audience, be transparent about your affiliate relationships, track your performance, and always prioritize content quality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on personal finance and online business. Start avoiding these mistakes today and watch your affiliate marketing success grow.